Like so many of you, I just really didn't know a lot about makeup. I started experimenting with it about 4 years ago because I got a curiosity and I kind of got tired of doing the same old makeup day in and day out. And what I found was there's so much out there. There's so many different types. I didn't really know where to start, but I figured, you know what, I'll have a little fun with it. So I started experimenting with makeup, and then I figured out I really like it. I had a lot of fun doing it, and then I got creative. And after I learned through a lot of trial and error, and when I really got it nailed, I started getting a lot of compliments on it. I started getting a lot of questions and how did you do that? And wow, I like that makeup. And that really encouraged me. And then I started Beyond Shadow because I wanted to share exactly what I had learned with all of you. I wanted to share from a regular person's perspective. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just somebody who really wanted to try makeup, and I did. And so I love doing my videos because I get to share what I learned. I get to share a lot about the products that I love, and it just gives me a lot of pleasure to do that. So I hope that you will check out my channel at Beyond Shadow 2020 on both YouTube and Instagram. And I hope you like the videos. If you do, give them a big thumbs up. And then if you have any questions for me, please put them in the comments because I'd love to hear from you. So thanks a lot. I hope that you'll check out my channel. Bye.